Hi, crafty friends. Today we're going to be talking about bishop sleeves. This is another video in my series all about statement sleeves. The greatest thing about a bishop sleeve is that you can make it way more dramatic than this. This is pretty tame, probably because I didn't actually have that much fabric. But really, a bishop sleeve just means that there's a lot of fabric here that's gathered at the wrist and that it's nice and smooth at the shoulder. As with all of my sleeve tutorials, I only focus on sewing the sleeve. So the rest of the bodice of the garment is already cut and sewn. If you would like to know how to make different types of bodices, meaning the top, front, and top back of a garment, I have other videos all about that. All right, let's dive right in. Hey, popping by real quick to give a major shout out to all of my patrons who've been with me for a while and to say hello to any new subscribers. Thank you so much. Your support helps me make fun videos like this, and I'm always listening to you, so make sure to chime in if there's anything specific you want to see, and always if you have any questions. Okay, back to sewing. And there you have it. That concludes today's sleeve tutorial. If there is something specific that you would like to see, please make sure to comment below. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and you would like to watch more tutorials all about sewing and crafting, please subscribe to my channel below. And always stay crafty and have fun out there, kids. Summer's coming. It's gonna be a fun one.
If you like bishop sleeves and summer fun, subscribe to my channel.